School can oftentimes feel overbearing, and you're not wrong in feeling this way. I too, and many other students have experienced the feeling that you are feeling right now. But don't worry about it. In this video, I'll help you get over this feeling. In this video, I'll teach you how to overcome school feeling overbearing. Hello everyone, and welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is How to Above. And if you're somebody who's trying to live up in life, whether they be in school or your general health, well then, you're in the right place. First point, we gotta discuss why you don't like school, or why do you feel school is overbearing. The main reason why students often feel that school is too much, it's overbearing, is purely just because of a lack of prioritization. The reason why you feel that some things in school are overbearing is purely because you take on too much. The great majority of the things that you do take on are actually not needed. Because, stop me if I'm mistaken, but you have maybe 100 obligations, 100 responsibilities that you have to take, that you have taken responsibility for. You're a student. I hope you're a student watching this video, I hope. But you're a student. Shouldn't you be doing student things? Like what do students do? What do students do? Just use common sense real quick. What do you think students do? Um, well, a student goes to school, obviously. They they listen to their teacher, they take notes, they study, they watch How to Above, then they go write their test, they get the marks, and then they come back home. Simple. Yet that's not how you do student thing. You do studenting in a way that makes it look as if though a student needs to be multi-oriented and multi-skilled, which couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, school is kind of a period in your life in which you get the opportunity to discover what you're actually good at and what you like specifically have to do. Not the place where you do a bunch of things and excel at a bunch of things, cause that's not you. One of my closest friends actually recently spoke to me about this topic, about wanting to be multi-talented. You made me look like an idiot, but that's why you have good friends for it. They're not there to break you down, they're there to build you up by giving you and sometimes telling you things that you do not want to hear. Maybe you don't have that person in your life, that's why you come to How to Above. I'll be honest with you, just as he was honest with me. There are things that you want to be good at that you have no business being good at. I I do not. I'll be honest with you guys. Whilst I'm being recorded, this could be saved on somebody's device or something that you guys can play back after years. Maybe when I'm old and have a beard, then you guys can play back to me. I for a I do not at all like soccer. I'll be honest. I do not like it. But I play it because it's a common sport and everybody plays it, so might as well. I've even advised it on my channel before, like, hey, go try soccer. That was just a general thing. Like, okay, in general, people like soccer, so I'm just assuming that you in general would also like soccer. But you're not the average. Nobody's the average. The average is like a bunch of us together, and then it's like, okay, this guy likes this thing, this guy likes that thing, those people like those things, so we'll just go with that thing because that thing has the majority of people in it. But most of the time, or sometimes, you're not part of the majority. Sometimes you're part of the minority who like How to Above, who for some reason likes tennis or something, or swimming, who, and yeah, maybe to the outside it might seem different. Maybe to other people it might seem like, wow, that guy's doing something that's never been done before. That's pretty weird. But it's you. It's you. You're overwhelming yourself. These things that come into your life, they do not come on their own. Whenever what thing in your life has come into your life without your consent? And don't say things of like, oh, my sister, my little sister, she came into my life, I didn't consent to that. My parents just one day showed up and like, hey, you have a sister. I didn't consent to that. But yeah, but yeah, you guys get what I mean. In relation to school, what things came to your life that you did not consent for? The class that you attend, maybe you were like put into that specific class. That doesn't mean that you cannot get out of that class. That doesn't mean that you cannot try to go talk to your principal or your teacher and say, ma'am or sir, I don't want to be in this classroom. Can you please just put me in another classroom, please? The subjects that you have, you do not like them, or you're not good at them, and you don't want to be good at them. It's fine. It's understandable. Sometimes you're not good at something and you don't want to be good at it. That's fine. That shows that you're aligned to who you actually are. Maybe, maybe you like how to buzz videos, but it's not something that the majority likes. Fine, you like the videos, so you keep watching. Also, by the way, I just noticed, like the video, please. Let's continue with the topic. The main point of the first session of the video is basically you have no business doing things that you have no business doing. Things that aren't aligned to the type of person that you are or the person that you want to be. Can this be solved and how? Long answer, yes. Short answer, go look at the long answer. This can be solved on a longer time frame. Because the thing, Wingy, is with some things you permitted into your life, they kind of got attached to you. Sometimes you're the one who's attached to them unknowingly, or they are attached to you. The things or sometimes people are attached to you, and you want them to let go, or you want to let go, but it is kind of gonna be difficult. In school, you might get pressured with we have too many subjects. You take too many extracurriculars or something like that, something of that nature. I gotta get a dictionary. My pronunciation sucks, but don't roast me about it. I'm trying. Or you might be taking too many extra subjects or something. Okay, cool. Maybe you can quit them. Maybe your school, wherever you go to school, doesn't permit you to leave those subjects or something. That sucks. That really does suck. So now you're just gonna have to bite down and keep going, unfortunately. But with the great majority of things, you can let go or you can force them to let go. And I would actually like to point out something. When I made my previous point that when I said that you have no business learning things you have no business learning, what was the thing that came to mind? Who was the person that came to mind? Because definitely when I said that, you thought about something. Because my friend told me that, I immediately knew what I was saying. I immediately jumped, okay, soccer. Immediately. I didn't even think about, it could be that maybe YouTube, maybe YouTube. Yeah, it's kind of taxing on me. There were no other routes to the solution. It was straight, okay, nah. He's talking about soccer. That's what he's talking about. The thing that you're thinking about, the first thing that came to mind when I said that, that's the thing that you gotta get rid of. If you can't get rid of it, that really, really, really sucks. And I'm sorry for you, but you gotta remember what I also stated earlier. Nothing came into your life without your consent. Things cannot enter your life without you consenting to them. So you kind of just gotta take responsibility for you permitting that specific thing to come to your life in the first place. It's not that it can be overbearing, it's that it is overbearing. But don't worry about it. Your favorite YouTuber, How to Above, is here to help you through all of it. With the content that I'm pushing out, definitely do go watch, definitely do go take some of the advice, and I hope, actually, let me rephrase that. And I know that you will find value in this content. Thanks so much for sticking till the end of the video. If you found the content at all educational, do leave a like on the video, subscribe, and maybe even leave a comment. And remember, it always seems impossible until It's done.